There are pieces of this debt service bill that make me concerned, whether it's staying within our caps that we've imposed in out years, whether it's dealing with possible interest rates, certainly things we don't control. But things we do control on an annual basis is how we put together our plan, how much goes into debt. And unfortunately, even though we're ticking down in our plan for the amount we're spending on debt service, a lot of that has to do with we've had interest rates controlled or held down over a number of years. In fact, the last decade, we've seen historically low interest rates. That's not going to last forever. We're here at a time where we have, I think, as we see this full fiscal plan come out, where we have some dollars from other years, or from single settlements only for this year. We should be at this time not just trying to find ways to lower our overall debt payment, but actually find ways to lower our overall debt. However, this bill in and of itself doesn't create that debt. This bill provides the way for us to pay that. For that reason, I'll be voting in the affirmative, but I'm hoping that when we put together a final plan, we can be moving in the way where New York State is lowering its overall dependence on debt instead of having that increase. Thank you.